Hello students, welcome to your math class. Today is Thursday, September 24, 2020. And in your math class, we are going to continue learning about division. Remember that during this week, we were talking about division and the meaning of division, what does the division includes, the parts of the divisions, and in order to work in an excellent way with divisions, you should manage or you should know the tables. So today we're going to work with 5 times and 6 times table. What you're going to do is that in your notebook, you're going to copy the 5 times table in one page and the 6 times table in another page. For example, in one page, imagine that this one is the page. So here you're going to write the 5 times table and you're going to leave one space here. You're going to leave one space. Then you're going to turn your notebook and in the other page you're going to copy the 6 times table and the same as on the 5 times, you're going to leave one space here. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. Then with the 6th time. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 20. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 9, 54. 6 times 10, 60. So, remember that you're going to copy each one of them in one page. After you finish with the first one, you're going to copy those multiplication exercises that I have here. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different exercises of multiplication using the 5 times table. So copy each one of them in your notebook in the space that I told you to leave, and you're going to solve them. After you finish with these exercises using the 5 times table, you are going to continue with the 6 times table. So in the space that you leave in the 6 times table, you are going to solve those exercises. And that was your homework. That was your homework to solve all the multiplication using 5 and 6 times table. See you until next class. Have a nice evening. Keep safe at home. Don't get outside if it is not necessary, and sending a lot of hugs and kisses.